Hello everyone, this is a special announcement, so please watch this video till the end. This is going to be our first Divi University live workshop, and this is going to be about how to make money Divi. So as you know, I have a brand new website called Divi University. It's going to be covering quite a lot of things, courses, child themes, and so on. But this particular live workshop is going to be also a Q&A. You can ask me any questions. I'll be having these once every 2 weeks, but depending on the demand, I'll probably have them once every week. So let's talk about how to make money with Divi. This is what we're going to be covering. Now, what I'm going to be covering here is my experiences, what I've done to make a lot of money with Divi. So the first thing here is going to be affiliate marketing. I'll be sharing how I make money with affiliate marketing using Divi. I'll also talk about child themes, how I've managed to make money creating child themes, and how you can also create your own child themes, how to run an agency, how to do freelancing, and finally, what you need to sell online courses. Now, this is very, very powerful information, and I'm sure a lot of you have the Divi license, but you haven't utilized it yet. So the goal of this live workshop is to give you ideas on how you can actually make money with Divi, because I mean, come on, guys, you've already invested in Divi, so why not make use of it? So that's the whole point of Divi University. It's going to be a place for everything Divi, and I'll be sharing pretty much different types of topics. So now let's talk about something very, very important. Now, there are some of you who joined my Funnels to Income lifetime membership. So you guys automatically get lifetime access to Divi University. So all you have to do is to follow the link to the email that I've sent before on how to enroll onto Divi University. It's not going to be automatic, but guys, if you are a lifetime member on Funnel to Income, you automatically become a lifetime member on diviuniversity.com. Now, if I haven't responded to your emails, please just bear with me. I am really behind on support. There's so many emails that I need to respond to. Please bear with me. Some of you, I haven't responded for over a week. I'm really, really sorry, but I'm just trying to get everything up and running as fast as I can. Now, let's talk about how these two websites are going to function. So on funnelstoincome.com, this is where I'll be discussing topics on how to make money online, list building, sales funnels, content creation, and how to use YouTube ads to grow your online business. So that's going to be purely on funnelstoincome.com. Now let's talk about Divi University. So Divi University is going to be purely Divi content. So what I'll be covering is how to master Divi. Now remember, there's going to be Divi 5, Divi 6 coming up. So instead of you guys just purchasing Divi or Divi 5 or Divi 6 without really knowing how to use it, well, I'm here for you guys. I'm going to be showing you the ins and outs of Divi 5 and Divi 6 because this is going to be a new builder altogether. So I'll be sharing with you how it works and how you can best utilize in your web design processes. Next, we're going to be talking about designing advanced websites. And again, this is on diviuniversity.com. So we'll be showing you how to design advanced websites using advanced custom fields, using other plugins. Like for example, if you take a look at the link in the video description below, this is going to take you to the booking that I created for this particular live workshop. And this is by using a basic tool that was just released a few days ago called Fluent Booking. It's a fantastic booking tool, and this is one example of how you can use it yourself. So if you haven't purchased it, the link to that is in the video description below. Again, I'll be creating templates, child themes and templates that you can use. These are already done for you templates which you can just upload and start using. I'll also have courses on diviuniversity.com, and these are all relating to Divi. So the question is, well, what if you want to be a part of diviuniversity.com? Well, I still have an offer. This is 70% off. This is going to be $599. At the moment, I've made it 70% off because there is not a lot of content there. But again, look at it as an investment because As long as Divi is out there, I am going to be creating a lot of content around Divi. For those of you that know me, you know I've been creating a lot of tutorials around Divi for many, many years. In fact, I've actually worked for Elegant Themes before. So it's only going for $179. You purchase it and pretty much you're locked in. You're going to have access to anything Divi university.com that I produce in the future. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. The links to all that is in the video description below. Please sign up for the live workshop. The link to that is in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.